A song of betrayal. 7 drunken nights. Most of you may only have heard of the first 5. The last 2 are a bit rude. This I came home on Monday night, as drunk could be. I saw a horse tied to the post, where my old horse should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that horse tied to the post, where my old horse should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's the snorting sorrow that my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, a sow with a saddle on, I ain't never seen that before. Well, as I came home on Tuesday night, as drunk could be, I saw a coat upon the door where my old coat should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that coat upon the door where my old coat should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's the crochet blanket that my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, a blanket with buttons on, I ain't never seen that before. As I came home on Wednesday night, as drunk could be, I saw a pipe upon the shelf where my old pipe should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that pipe upon the shelf where my old pipe should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's the tin whistle that my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, tin whistle with tobacco in, I ain't never seen that before. As I came home on Thursday night, as drunk could be, I saw 2 boots underneath the bed where my old boots should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns them boots beneath the bed where my old boots should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's 2 geranium pots my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, geranium pots with laces in, I ain't never seen that before. I came home on Friday night, as drunk could be, I saw a head upon the bed where my old head should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that head upon the bed where my old head should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's a fancy baby boy my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I'll travel 100 miles or more, a baby boy with whiskers, I ain't never seen that before. Now the weekend gets a bit rude. As I came home on Saturday night, as drunk could be, I saw 2 hands on my wife's breast where my old hands should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns them hands upon your breast where my old hands should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's an idle nightie that my mother gave to me.
Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, dressed with fingers on, I ain't never seen that before. And as I came home on Sunday night, as drunk could be,
Manners!
I saw a thing in my wife's thing,
Pissed!
where my old thing should be. So I called my wife and I says to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that thing inside your thing where my old thing should be?
Ah, you drunk, you silly old fool, and so you cannot see. That's a shapely candle that my mother gave to me.
Any day I travelled 100 miles or more, with a candle with bollocks on, I've never seen that before.